Gotta stay busy. So, I recently acquired stuff. I've since got some construction paper in for the flowers and petals and stuff that I want to make to go on birthday cards. I don't know why, but that's become really important to me. So I'm going to send my customers thank you cards. Excuse me. I have just watched like 75,000 videos on how to store your dies and stamps. They were all really expensive. So remember this? I got to take to my shows. Yep, just a vintage overnight suitcase that cost me $10 on Etsy. I have tons of these. You gonna say hi? Magic. He can't concentrate and jump down at the same time. Okay. So, why not put them to good use? My stamps and their dies. Put some boxes in the back to hold everything up. There. So, let's get organized. Let's stay organized. Oh, I could probably put these tools in there. Yes. That is a toothbrush for people that have dentures. Dawn, what is this called? Similar to a bead reamer, but without the seesaw edges on the outside. And, oh, lucky for me, I have like 3 of these. Yeah. No, I don't know why. And that is what I use to cut those little bits off around the edges. Oh, wait, let me show you with this one. Okay, so this came in one big, huge piece. And this piece is attached to the next piece with a little piece of metal that this comes off with perfectly. So, just trying to get organized and stay organized in my little office space. So I'm just reusing old padded envelopes. Why not? Why buy more? I'd rather buy, supplies. So this, I'm going to find another little box to set down in there. I'll probably see what's in there to just toss all this stuff in. So it's all in one place. There. Yep, see how I used that one already to lift? But I'm thinking now that I have the construction paper, this is going to be thick enough to raise my dies on my plates. And I won't need cushion. I won't need a cushion. It don't matter. It cut pretty much all the way through, but that's okay. I'm still going to save it. I'm still going to save it because if I can make another little pocket out of that and save money, that's the name of my game. Saving money. I'd rather spend my money on a new colored ink pad or something. More dies. Yeah, so now I'm going to sit here and sort these out. I still haven't got my other dies yet. They should be here tomorrow from AliExpress. And yes, and then I'm going to go on over to Temu because I haven't heard anybody complain about getting their stuff in a timely fashion. Before, when I ordered, for years I ordered from AliExpress, I always got my stuff in 7 days. Okay. 8 days. Yeah. So now I'm going to take I'm going to call these border, here, hold. I'm going to call these my border cuts. Flowers. What else did I get? Little curly Q accent things. Of course, the important thing is you don't want them bent. See, so I'll save that and leave one in there. Happy birthday border. I could consider this a border. I can use it as a pocket, or, because see, it's already got the cute little perforated edges thing on it. See, so I'll save that. There's my happy birthday set. This is not a set. So now I'm just going to write on here, happy HBD. Die. Call it a day. Oh, I didn't take that side up. That's okay. I'll do that later. We'll put happy birthday with the happy birthday. There. Now everything's staying almost in alphabetical order. Okay, flowers. I have a place for that. That's mainly a butterfly. Isn't that beautiful? Another butterfly. A lot of my customers like butterflies. Or is it? Or is it? Yeah, it is. Dragonfly, butterfly, something. It's cute. Okay, flower borders. A bird border. Got to make a package for that. See, now that bird border will fit nicely in this one. So let's just put some tape on that really quick. There we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is butterfly borders. And then I'm going to use this other one for my bird. Oh, animals shed so much. How am I going to do this one? How'd I do this one? Well, that one was open on both sides. We'll do it this way. Okay, put my bird border in there, nice and snug. Snug as a bug in a rug. Put that right there. Oh, I need to cut that down. It's too tall. There. Oops, that's not in alphabetical order. Okay. Okay, I got 2 of these, so one of them I will leave in here, so they're not scratching each other up. There we go. Easy peasy. That in alphabetical order. I'll cut that down a little teeny bit later. And there's my organization. That one was too tall. I didn't smash anything. See? There we go. Everything's